Okay, so in this video we'd like to show how to create a Teams live event and the basics of how it works. So first we've logged on to an Office 365 account which has a mailbox. This is my fred.animan account. You go to the calendar, new meeting and live event. So you enter the title of the meeting, so test live event. And here you can invite the presenters. So in this case we'll say Mike Flow, and then we'll add my other account as producer, and then we send the invite. Here you can decide how far the reach is. So in this case here, we choose public, which means no sign-in required. Underneath you have some further options, so we'll enable Q&A. And we won't use this for now, but in the future this can be used where we connect it to an external application such as vMix or OBS. Okay, then we schedule. And here's all the general information required needed for the meeting. So for the people who will be attending the meeting, you need to just grab this link and send this to them. Okay, so once the live event opens up, as producer, this is the view that you're going to see here. So in this box here, we have the queue. So these are all the videos that will be shown to the live stream. So first they appear inside the preview, and once you click on send to live, it's then sent to the live event itself. So this is just to give you a preview of what you're going to be showing. So as you can see from here, I've invited 3 guests, so 2 presenters and myself as the producer. So what we're going to do is we're going to put add video content from below. So you've got 2 options. Either you add the complete video, or you can add the video and content. So in this case, I'm going to go to Mike Flow here, and we're just going to share a PDF. So as you can see, he shared the PDF, and I can see it over here as content. So click on content from below. So I just click here, and as you can see, the PowerPoint is showing. Now this is in preview. So the next thing we're going to do is, once you're ready for this, is we send it to live. And this is a live view here, but it's not published online yet. The next step is actually to click on start. Okay, so this is the view from a guest perspective from the outside. So as you can see, the live event hasn't started yet. So we're going to click on start. You have to understand there's always a delay for the transcoding and sending to the servers online. So click on continue. If you give it a couple of seconds, we'll then see the broadcast has started there. At the top here, you can see how many attendees. And here you can see when the event is actually live or not. Before it was in PRE, which is preview. So here you see the live event streaming. As a guest or a participant there, you can ask questions. Leave your name if you want. And all of this is obviously available to the producers, so they can take notes, they can have chats, and they can also see the Q&A. So if we go to the guest, You can see the message appears here straight away. And this is, as you can see from here, this is not available publicly yet. So this is a message which has been sent to the moderator, and once he clicks on publish, everyone else inside the event will be able to see it. Once the event is published, people can like the questions, and as it produces, we can delete the question if we want. Okay, so here we can see the live event which is happening. What we're going to do is we're going to prepare the camera view, another camera view, so you can keep on adding presenters and they will appear at the bottom. I'll switch on the webcam here. Okay, and so the next one I want to show, for example, is, let's say he's the next presenter. So if you want to change to the next presenter, which will all be listed at the bottom here, what we do is we click on the queue and the next person. The image changes there. If you want to change the view, you can click here. You see the full view. And then we send live. Again, remember there is a bit of a delay. Eventually you see the image here will change. Okay. So I can see in here it's moved to the second presenter, let's say. Again, if you want to share content, use this option over here.